Hi everyone. In this video we will see links with changing dimensions while in motion. Using SolidWORKS 2017. Let's start. Open a new assembly template. This part here is just a base for rotating arm and the extreme ends of connecting links. Now we will insert the central arm. We will mate it such that it can rotate around the base. Change the appearance of inserted parts. Now, under Insert Component, select a new part. Select the plane for sketching the new part. Sketch a line joining the center of arm and extreme column. Giving the line some volume using sweep feature for making a link. We will assign red color to this link. Similarly, we will insert a new part and create another link. Assigning yellow color to this link. Similarly, we will insert a new part and create third link. Assign green color to this link. We will insert a new part and create the last link. Last link will be in blue color. Save the assembly and the parts. We will go to motion study now. Change some settings, increase the frames per second. We will give motor input to the rotating arm. Select the direction and center of rotation. Select the distance option. Give distance of 360 degrees. Now click on Calculate. It might take some time. Let's check the motion. We see the links dynamically changing the lengths. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you.